Here we go. Welcome to my channel. I moved my CNC machine. Here we have a LED stripe, webcam, sensor monitor, and a mini PC. Same mini ITX for control box. Sadly, glass not perfectly oriented. This is front door. All enclosure is made from sandwich panels. It should be soundproof. Okay, let's put it on. I am waiting for door handles. Should be like this. Two door handles. That's okay. I can control directory from monitor. So I have a wireless keyboard, pretty compact. Let's see. And switch. For Z-axis we have a reducer 4:1. Here you can see the bottle for cooling liquid. Something like this. At least it keeps clean my room and soundproof, I believe. Okay, see you again.